It's an extraordinary view of these cute little sparrows. These birds are awesome. It makes us to feel happy by looking these sparrows. It's an extraordinary look by these sparrows. All these sparrows are in a group. These sparrows are moving in a group. It's a pretty team of these sparrows. They all work together. These all sparrows travels together from one place to another place, and it shows us the unity of the sparrows. Just look at those sparrows. That's great look of the sparrows. We must and should learn a lot from this nature, at the same time from these birds. It shows us the unity